In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Volvo S60. This is going to be located in the trunk. Let's get into it. In the trunk, we're going to pull this cover up. There you can see the battery right there. I'll disconnect the negative terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the nut. Grab the terminal. Give it a wiggle back and forth. Set it aside. Right here there is a vent tube. You want to grab that, disconnect that, set it aside. Now disconnect the positive side. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen this nut. Give that a wiggle. Pull that up and set that aside. Using a 13mm socket, take this nut off. Right here, there's a bolt. You got to remove that. Use a 13mm socket. Take that bolt out. Grab the bracket. And remove this bracket down here. Use a 10mm socket. Take this bolt out and the bracket. Grab the battery, pick it up, and pull it out. Now take the battery. Get this lined up. Position it in the tray right there. Now take this bracket, line this up. Get that started. Yeah, we'll snug that down. That's good. And take the vent tube and attach that. Take the bracket, slide that in place, get the nut started, and get the bolt started. That lined up. Now we'll tighten that down. Snug that down. And snug this one down. Now take the positive, line that up. I'll snug this down. That's good. Now I'll connect the negative terminal, line that up. Push that in place. Snug that down. Now close the lid and close the trunk.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.